How to refill T-Mobile prepaid online. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. Firstly, launch any of your preferred browser. Then in the search bar, search for T-Mobile. With that, different website links will appear. Tap on the very first one. Now you will be directed to the official website of T-Mobile. Now at the top right, you will find the option of login. Tap on it. Again, click on login. Now you will land to the login page. Here, type in your email, phone number or username. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget your password and then recover it. In the case you haven't registered your account yet, click on this option of sign up and create your account. After you fill this, tap on next. Then type in your password and click on done. With that, you will be logged into your T-Mobile account. Now navigate to the prepaid refill section of your account. This might be labeled as refill account or something similar. Look for the option related to adding funds or refilling your prepaid balance. Then choose the amount that you want to refill your prepaid account with. T-Mobile typically offers various refill denominations to choose from, such as $10, $20 and so on. Enter your payment information to complete the transaction. This may include credit card details, debit card details, or all the accepted forms of payment. Review your refill amount and payment information to ensure everything is correct. Lastly, confirm the transaction to add funds to your prepaid account. After the transaction is completed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your prepaid account has been successfully refilled. So this way you can easily refill T-Mobile prepaid online. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.